Sometimes AirPods stop working, like how one AirPod just doesn't produce sound and the other one does. So today I'll be teaching you how to fix that in 2 ways. So let's get to it. The first way is the easiest way, and I recommend you trying this first. So what you want to do is just take your AirPods and then put them back in the case. Then close the case. Now go ahead and get your phone. Open the case right next to the phone and then make sure that it pops up with the batteries. Then put your AirPods in your ears and this should work. If this doesn't work, just try the second way. The second way is resetting your AirPods. It won't revert the settings back to what it was before. It's basically like powering off your iPhone. So turn over your AirPod case and there should be a circle button which is used for pairing, but you can also use it to reset your AirPods. What you need to do is just hold it down for 15 to 20 seconds. Once you're done with that, just get your iPhone or iPad or any other iOS device. Open the case and then set it up like normally. It should say connect, so just click on connect and your name will stay the same and the settings will too. And that is how you reset your AirPods. So thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe. Bye!